Floods are treated as weather problems. They are not. Floods are soil failures. Rainfall has not increased fast enough to explain modern flooding. What has changed is how land responds to rain. Healthy soil behaves like a sponge. Degraded soil behaves like concrete. Compaction from machinery, grazing mismanagement and urbanization seals the surface. When rain falls, it cannot enter the ground. Water accelerates downslope. Streams spike suddenly. Rivers overflow. Flooding becomes inevitable. Restoration changes this at the microscopic level. Organic matter increases soil aggregation. Aggregates create pore space. Pores store water. Roots drill vertical channels. Earthworms widen them. Microbes bind particles together. Each % increase in soil organic matter can store tens of thousands of liters of water per hectare. This storage delays runoff. Delayed runoff spreads water over time, peak flows drop. Floodplains recharge instead of drown. Downstream infrastructure becomes safer without modification. This is distributed flood control. Instead of one dam, millions of hectares absorb water simultaneously. Restored soil also reduces erosion. Sediment loads decline, river channels stabilize. Reservoirs last longer. Flood prevention through soil is permanent as long as biology is active. No maintenance crews, no failure points. No catastrophic collapse. Floods are not natural disasters. They are symptoms of land mismanagement. Fix the soil and floods retreat.